I'm going to show you how you can edit your writing in Google Classroom, but it's somehow a little bit different because the way I assign your Google Classroom, I just copy the link from Google Classroom so that when you click on the link, for example, like in homework, I copy the link from another folder. For example, I want you to do, for example, writing in under the writing folder. So I copy the link from writing folder into your homework. So when you click on homework, when you click on the link, you'll be prompted, you'll be directed to the work under your writing, right? So a lot of people get confused with this. That's why I just want to make sure everybody understands. So firstly, you can go to your class. So this is an example. This one you can see what you can see on the screen here is my private account. It's not the teacher account, so it's a private account, and I am also in this class as a student. So I click on that one. I click on that class, and so make sure you keep refreshing your work. You keep refreshing your Google Classroom. Make sure you can see the latest work. In my case, you see here, after refreshing, I can see my work. And I go to homework here, homework over here, the first one, click on the first one, and then the internet here is a bit slow, and you can see me, the teacher, but in this case it's not me, has assigned 4 pieces of homework for the class to do. And if you click on number 2, because number 2 is the writing assignment the teacher wants the class to do. So I click on number 2. I click on number 2 over here. So when I click on the link, it's directing me to where the original link, original work is situated. In this case, the original link is placed under writing tasks, so under the writing topic, the writing task. It's good for teacher because teachers do not have to instruct again, or teachers don't have to copy link again. So it's pretty easy. Just go to, they just need the link. No, they don't have to instruct one more time. This is what I mean. And you can see here the class. Okay, you can see the class, the class, and the writing, and most importantly, this is the attachment. This is what I want you to do. You click on that one, and make sure Google Docs. So I want you to make sure you log in your Google Doc with the account that your teacher wants you to use. For example, in your case, if you are an ACE student, make sure you use your ACE student. So if you don't use the ACE student account, so you won't be able to add it. So in short, everything you log in with, you need to use your ACE account. So if you're an ACE student, so you need to use only one account to be able to add it. And then you can see. And then you can see here, look for the pencil. Okay, look for the pencil, click on the pencil, and after that you can start editing. You can start doing your work. Okay, you can start, and for example, I can give you an example here. So the correct answer should be, my house is a flat in Phnom. My house is a flat in Phnom Penh, a city. Yeah, so it should be there. The city, right? So I choose over here. So it should be the city. And what should I do? Okay, bold, because I choose this one. And when you finish, you can click on here. A very similar thing. Tick, and again, arrow on the top left corner. And then I can go back to Google Classroom. Go back to Google Classroom, and Oh, is it? Let me click on this again. Okay. So and then I can turn it. I can turn it because everything is saved automatically, so it's in here already. Don't worry. So when you go back to this assignment, you can just click turn in because everything is saved automatically already. Okay, so turn in and yep, turn in, and that's it. That's it. Okay, so I hope you can do it. Bye.